At that age that Helen Zille is, she has to take her tablets. Now, if you can't be that age and not operate without tablets. So sometimes she forgets to take their tablets. She lives on my Facebook pages. I can see people, you know, she's always there. So I wanted to tell you just, and this is the first and the last time I'm coming to explain stuff. It's not the first, but it will be the last time I'm coming to explain this stuff here. She says she heard that thing, somebody went to the Zondo Commission and says PA was formed in 2016 by Jacob Zuma. Zondo didn't even call me. I was never called to the Zondo Commission or the SG. We were never called because how do we go and explain if PA was already there in 2014? Now, if you don't take your tablets, I don't blame Helen. You have to take your tablets to be sane. The tablets keep us sane. A mal anti-die. Mal anti. Her campaign is PA. And we keep on beating the DA because she concentrates on the PA. She concentrates on the PA. She gets a few people to say, just talk bad about the PA leadership, and she thinks that will stick. You know, there was a time when President Zuma didn't speak to me because of the fact that I gave Nelson Mandela Bay to the DA. So die mense om Zille, sê dit vas met al die dat pille vat. She needs, on at that age, ek meen 70 is he 70, what's he, close to 75, is he pap and melkie. Now when she starts saying, how can I be getting money from Zuma, give me money? Was ek aan arm. Ek moet vir hom geld gee. I mean, like, what is this woman talking about? So, sê net pille vat, asseblief. Vat jou pille en los die pia uit jou bek uit, asseblief. Los die pia uit jou bek uit. Dis al wat ek jou vraag. Jy het 'n press conference. But you speak about the PA at your press conference. So please, people around that lady, you know, I have now explained to you. So tell me, imagine I give you money to start a party and I refuse to go with you.